Hello, my name is Bobby. Thanks for joining us for our educational workshop, How to Modify the Chart of Accounts in QuickBooks Desktop. Account types. There are two main types of accounts in QuickBooks Desktop, balance sheet account and income and expense account. I have a list of them below. In this exercise, you will learn how to modify an existing chart of accounts in QuickBooks Desktop. I have a scenario for you. Your chart of accounts has already been set up and you want to modify the description or type for an existing account. Select Accounting from the left menu. Locate the account you'd like to edit. You can right-click it or double-click it, then select Edit Account. Make all your desired changes. Don't forget to select Save and Close. If you want to edit an account's history, here's how. Select Accounting from the left menu. Locate the account you'd like to edit. Select the account or double-click it. Select the transactions you'd like to edit. From here, you can make all changes to all available fields. Make sure the journal is in balance from the changes. It may be linked to other accounts. Select Yes. Don't forget to select Save and Close. Thanks for joining our educational workshop on how to modify an existing chart of account in QuickBooks Desktop.